Now, hello students, welcome back to SST class. Today also we are continuing with the SST for class 6, Civics, chapter number 22, Government. As earlier two videos we have studied about the government, what is government, types of government. When we talk about types of government, there are three types of government on the basis of their power: democratic form of government, dictator form of government, and monarchy form of government. And in the next video we studied why we need the government, what is the need of government. Government is needed for maintaining law and order, for maintaining discipline, for making rules and regulation policy, for providing health services, education facilities, our basic needs, for social economic problems to solve them. These are all works which are done by the government. Now today we are going to discuss about the organs of the government. When we talk about the organs of the government, there are three organs of the government: legislature, executive, and judiciary. Now again I am telling you there are three organs of the government: legislature, executive, and judiciary. Now what is legislature? When we talk about the legislature, is that part of the government, or we can say organ of the government that makes laws. The responsibility of making laws is under the legislature. Now the legislature is that organ of the government that makes laws for us are made in legislature. And under legislature, when we talk about at central level or union level, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are the two houses which makes laws for us. When we talk about the state level, Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad, these are the two houses which make laws for us. Now again, three organs of the government. Number one is legislature. And what is the work of the legislature? To make laws for us. And these laws are made through the parliament. When we talk about the parliament at the central level, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. When we talk about the state government, there is two houses, Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. Now next organ of the government is executive. As from the name itself, the work of executive is to execute all these laws which are made by legislature. These are executed by the executive organ of the government. Now what is executive organ? That organ or that part of the government that implements laws. Whatsoever laws is made in our parliament, either we are talking about central government or state government, these are implemented or executed by the executive. When we talk about executive, prime minister, president, governor, chief minister, council of minister, these are all executive who implements laws which are made by the legislature. These are done by the executive. Now the third organ of the government is judiciary. Now what is the work of the judiciary? And it is an independent organ. It is not under the control of legislature or executive. The part of the government that settle disputes. Now what is the work of the judiciary? To settle disputes. जो भी झगड़े होते हैं, differences होती हैं, उन्हें कौन solve करता है? Judiciary. And judiciary, under judiciary, all our even district courts, lower level courts, high courts, supreme court, all these courts come under our judiciary. Now judiciary is an independent organ. Clear? And what is the work of the judiciary? To solve the disputes between people, or it can be between two or more citizens, between two or more states, or between central and state government. All these disputes are resolved through the organ of judiciary, and all our courts come under judiciary. From apex, when we talk about the apex court, that is Supreme Court, there is only one Supreme Court, and that is in Delhi. Then high courts, for each and every state there is an high court, and sometimes there is common high court for two or more state also, and their lower and district courts are each and every cities. Now again, there are three organs of the government. First is legislature. The work of the legislature is to make laws. Laws are made in the legislature. Now executive, the work of the executive is to implement these laws which are made in the legislature, and it is done through our Prime Minister, President, Governor, Council of Minister, or Chief Minister. When we talk about judiciary, is that part of the government or organ of the government? First and foremost, it is an independent organ which settles disputes. Disputes can be between two or more citizens, between states, two or more states, or between central and state government, or between government and citizen. It is the responsibility of judiciary, or we can say courts, to solve the disputes. There are three levels of the government, or we can say that government work at three levels. These three levels are central government, state government, and local government. These are three levels of government in which government works. Central government, whose responsibility is to look after whole country, whole nation. State government took the responsibility of that particular state, and local government work at village level and town level. Now, levels of the government. There are 28 states and 9 union territories. When we talk about 28 states and 9 union territories, earlier there were 29 states. Jammu and Kashmir was also a state. Now it is a union territory. Ladakh, which was part of Jammu and Kashmir, has been now a separate union territory. So there are 28 states and 9 union territories. 2 union territories are added, that are Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Now each level of government, each level, central government, state government and local government, has their own separate powers which they have to work according to it, and these powers are assigned to them according to the Constitution of India. Now when we talk about central government, now what is central government? At national level there is central or union government. Clear? The duty or responsibilities which is given to the central government is to look whole country. It is a responsibility of the national, at national level there is central or union government, entire country, whose responsibility is to look after the entire country. When we talk about state level, every state has a government known as state government. 28 states, these all have their own government which look after the responsibility and work of their particular state, which are assigned to them by the Constitution of India. When we talk about local level, government at the local level in cities, towns and villages, which are also known as local self-government, they work at the grassroots level and control or look after the people at the local level. Again, there are three levels of government: central, state and local. Central government can also be called union government or national level government, which looks after country as a whole. When we talk about state government, the responsibility of the state government is to look after, take care of its particular state. When we talk about the local government, the responsibility of the local government is to look after the facilities or duties of cities, towns and villages at local level or local self-government. These are the three levels of government: central, state and local.